Did you know that the blue whale, the largest mammal on Earth, has a heart that weighs as much as a small car? Quite a startling fact, isn't it? Welcome to the incredible world of mammals, a realm teeming with diversity, complexity, and awe-inspiring adaptability. Spanning the vast expanse of our planet, mammals come in an astonishing variety of shapes and sizes. They roam the vast savannas, scale the highest peaks, dive into the deepest oceans, and even take to the skies. From the gigantic blue whale stretching nearly 100 feet long to the diminutive bumblebee bat, barely reaching an inch, the spectrum of mammalian species is truly mind-boggling. But what makes mammals so special? What sets them apart from the rest of the animal kingdom? For starters, mammals are the only animals that nurse their young with milk, a unique adaptation that has played a crucial role in their evolutionary success. This nurturing characteristic is something that we, as humans, share with every other mammal on Earth. Another defining trait of mammals is their ability to regulate body temperature. Unlike reptiles that bask in the sun to warm up, mammals can generate heat internally, allowing them to thrive in a wide range of environments, from the scorching deserts to the freezing poles. They are the masters of survival, equipped with fur, feathers, or fat to insulate against the cold, or sweat glands to cool down in the heat. Moreover, mammals are known for their complex social structures and sophisticated communication systems. Many species demonstrate remarkable intelligence and emotional depth, forming tight-knit communities, showing empathy towards their group members, and even mourning their dead. From the massive blue whale to the tiny bumblebee bat, mammals are a fascinating group of animals with a wide range of unique characteristics. As we delve further into the world of mammals, we'll discover their evolutionary journey, their diverse adaptations, the threats they face, and the crucial roles they play in our ecosystems. So buckle up for an exciting exploration of these incredible creatures. Can you imagine a world where dinosaurs and mammals coexisted? Picture this: the Mesozoic era, a time when the Earth was ruled by dinosaurs. But among these giants, the earliest mammals were beginning to make their mark. Like the underdogs of a great saga, these early mammals were small, nocturnal creatures, often overshadowed by their colossal neighbors. However, they had a trick up their sleeve. They were warm-blooded. This allowed them to maintain a stable body temperature and stay active in a wide range of climates, a distinct advantage over their cold-blooded counterparts. As time marched on, a catastrophic event struck Earth around 65 million years ago. A mass extinction event, one so severe that it wiped out about 75% of all species, including the mighty dinosaurs. Yet the resilient mammals survived. How did they manage this feat? Well, their small size, warm-blooded nature, and adaptability allowed them to endure where others could not. With the dinosaurs out of the picture, the stage was set for the mammals to rise. And rise they did. From the ashes of the Mesozoic era dawned the Cenozoic era, aptly known as the Age of Mammals. This was a time of rapid evolution and diversification for our furry friends. They began to fill ecological niches left vacant by the dinosaurs. Some took to the skies like bats, others returned to the sea like whales, and some, like the primates, even took to the trees. This diversification was driven by a unique mammalian trait: live birth. This allowed mammals to nurture their young inside their bodies, providing a level of protection and care that was unparalleled in the animal kingdom. From small, unassuming creatures, mammals transformed into a dazzling array of forms, from the smallest bat to the largest whale, from the fastest cheetah to the slow-moving sloth. Each one a testament to the power of evolution and survival. And yet, the story of mammals is still being written, as they continue to evolve and adapt in response to the challenges of the modern world. With the dinosaurs out of the picture, mammals were able to evolve and diversify into the myriad forms we see today. How does a polar bear stay warm in the Arctic's freezing temperatures, you may wonder? It's all thanks to the marvel of mammalian adaptations. Nature is a master designer, equipping mammals with unique traits to thrive in their specific environments. Let's take a closer look at some of these fascinating adaptations. Imagine the vast, bone-chilling expanses of the Arctic. Here, the polar bear reigns supreme, its survival hinging on a dense, water-resistant fur coat that insulates against the icy cold. But it's not just the fur that's special. Beneath it, a thick layer of fat provides additional insulation, while its white coloration acts as a camouflage against the snow. Now, let's swap the ice for sand and heat and journey to the arid landscapes of the desert. Here, the camel, often dubbed the ship of the desert, showcases its own set of unique adaptations. The camel's hump is not merely decorative, it's a reservoir of fatty tissue, providing energy when food and water are scarce. Its long legs keep its body away from the hot sand, while specialized nostrils and eyelashes prevent sand from entering its respiratory and visual systems. But adaptations aren't just about survival in extreme climates. Consider the bat, the only mammal capable of sustained flight. Its wings are actually modified forelimbs, allowing it to navigate the night skies with ease, while its echolocation system enables it to see in the dark. Or ponder over the platypus, an oddball of the mammalian world. It's equipped with a bill that can detect electric fields produced by prey, a trait that's highly unusual among mammals. These adaptations are the result of millions of years of evolution, nature's trial and error process, shaping each mammal for its own unique niche. It's a testament to the versatility and resilience of life, a reminder that nature always finds a way. Whether it's surviving the desert heat or the polar chill, mammals have found a way to thrive in almost every corner of the planet. It's truly a testament to the incredible world of mammalian adaptations. Did you know that over 1,000 mammal species are currently threatened with extinction? A startling fact, isn't it? Our world is teeming with diverse and fascinating mammalian life, yet many of these creatures face daily struggles for survival, challenges that are often directly linked to human actions. Let's delve deeper. Habitat loss is one of the major threats to the existence of many mammals. Urbanization, deforestation, and changes in land use are rapidly shrinking the natural habitats of these creatures, making it increasingly difficult for them to find food, shelter, and mates. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room, or rather, the lack thereof. Poaching is a brutal reality for many mammals, with the illegal wildlife trade driving many species towards the brink of extinction. From the majestic elephants hunted for their ivory to the elusive pangolins sought after for their scales, the greed of humanity poses a grave danger to these innocent beings. And then there's climate change. As global temperatures rise, polar ice caps melt, and ecosystems shift, many mammals find it difficult to adapt to these rapid changes. Polar bears, for instance, are struggling to find food as sea ice, their primary hunting ground, continues to diminish. But there's a silver lining here. Conservation efforts worldwide are working tirelessly to protect these animals. From setting up protected areas and enforcing wildlife laws to educating the public and rehabilitating injured animals, every effort counts. These actions are our beacon of hope. They show us that it's not too late to reverse the damage, and that each one of us can play a role in protecting these magnificent creatures. After all, a world without the roar of the lion, the grace of the gazelle, or the cunning of the fox is a world we don't want to imagine. The fate of these animals is in our hands. It's up to us to ensure that future generations can enjoy the diversity and beauty of the mammalian world. Have you ever wondered why mammals matter? Well, sit tight as we delve into the world of ecosystems and explore the pivotal roles that mammals play. Mammals, with their diverse sizes, shapes, and lifestyles, are like intricate gears in the grand machinery of our ecosystems. Their activities, though seemingly simple, are in fact integral to the functioning of nature's grand design. Let's take a closer look. Firstly, consider the role of mammals in pollination. Yes, it's not just bees and butterflies fluttering from flower to flower. Many mammals, particularly bats and even some rodents, are key pollinators. They shuttle pollen from one plant to another, facilitating reproduction and the growth of new plants, ensuring the survival of numerous plant species. Next, let's spotlight seed dispersal. Ever wondered how a tree ends up growing miles away from its parent? Thank the fruit-eating mammals for this miracle of nature. As they feast on fruits, these mammals inadvertently transport seeds in their bellies to new locations. Once nature calls, these seeds are deposited, often with a handy pile of natural fertilizer, leading to the growth of new plants in far-off places. Mammals also play a critical role in controlling pest populations. Predatory mammals such as foxes, owls, and even domestic cats help keep the numbers of rodents and insects in check. Without these natural predators, we could be overrun by unwanted pests causing havoc in our ecosystems. But what happens when these mammal species are lost? The impact is far-reaching. The loss of a single mammal species can disrupt these ecological processes, leading to an imbalance that affects the health and diversity of the entire ecosystem. This is why conservation efforts are so crucial. From the smallest rodent to the largest whale, every mammal plays a crucial part in maintaining the balance of nature. Their roles, while diverse and often hidden from our everyday view, are integral to the smooth functioning of our environment. So next time you spot a mammal, give a nod of appreciation for the job they're doing in keeping our world turning.